Hello friends, today I will show how to plugin install from cPanel. I mean WordPress plugin. This is the WordPress website and this is the WordPress admin panel. First of all, I need to check the how many plugin already installed in WordPress website. There is no plugin. I will just install here from cPanel. So first of all, make sure the login in cPanel. This is the login interface. Click on the login. Then go to the file manager. Then open the file manager option and click on the public HTML and click on the WP content. Then click on the plugin folder. That's it. There is no plugin. This is the index.php for the security purpose. Then you need to click on the upload option. This is the upload. You can select or you can drag here your plugin. Alright. I'll just drag here my plugin. Yep. This is the classic editor plugin. Already uploaded, done. Then again back on the cPanel file manager, then you need to reload here. This is the plugin. Now need to extract here. For click on mouse right button for the extract, click on the extract, then click on the pop-up extract files, extract done, then reload. Now you can delete on the zip file, confirmation done. Now we back on the WordPress plugin panel. Now reload here. Yes, WordPress plugin it installed done from cPanel. So thank you for the watching and stay with us for the new video. Thank you. Bye.